Well guys, Vicky Camp sent us to another great place. This is Monarto Safari Park in South Australia. There are a few shuttle buses in this park. They take you from one place to another. This zoo is massive. It's 1,500 hectares open range zoo, and it is one of the largest in the world. You'll see lions, giraffes, rhinos, cheetahs, chimpanzees, and so many other wild animals roaming in wide open spaces. Well, this rhino came very close to Aaron and he was screaming. You can easily spend one whole day here. So if you're planning to come here in summer, make sure you drink a lot of water because it can get hot. Well, this is Aaron sleeping on Dad's lap. You can find rare species like cheetahs here. I even went to Sri Lanka to do a safari, but I couldn't really see any tigers or cheetahs there, so it's really nice to see some of them here. All the kids were very happy, but Aaron was sleeping, so he did miss this. He then woke up after a big nap on Dad's lap and feeling very happy here. We then went to the gift shops to look at what they have. They had some instruments made from coconut shells. Okay, check this out. This book is made in Sri Lanka from elephant dung of Sri Lankan elephants. How is that? Then we went to the cafe and had a nice cold drink and finished our trip. So if you are visiting to Adelaide, make sure to check this place out.